ride so high without you. Everything I've got so good, but not without you. And suddenly nothing feels quite right. Why does the sunshine feel like night? I'm only pretending I'm alright without you. Now what's a macaroni without cheese? That's the way I feel when there's me without you. Guess I miss you. It doesn't really matter how high I climb without you.
I guess I wanted to draw this one for... I have no idea.
Maybe that's why I feel so blue without you. Now tell me what's the apple without the pie? Tell me what's the French without the fry? That's the way I feel when
Tonight, alright, I know this is my first... I know I've given this song... I know I've added this song to match up for what I'm drawing for tonight. Tonight, we're gonna draw Altirhinus. Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it? Drawing dinosaurs? It's like a gift. Say, one thing I haven't noticed, the first time I saw this dinosaur, I thought this dino's name was Uranosaurus. At first, I thought it was an Uranosaurus. The reason is that it's due to the long spine on his back. Uranosaurus has a long sail-like spine on his back as well, compared to this one. Of course, it has a long spine compared to this one. But I feel like the both of them are the same. I just don't know why. I just think they do. Besides, I haven't really seen Altirhinus or Uranosaurus in a while. You guys think there's a difference between these two? Be sure to post a comment on that. I don't really know the difference about them either. Better not make the tail too long, otherwise it'll look like Tyrannosaurus. Alexa, play Mr. Peabody and Sherman Show theme.
Here's Peabody and Sherman theme song by Outfit on Amazon Music.
Ladies and gentlemen, DreamWorks Animation proudly presents your hosts, Mr. Peabody and his boy, Sherman.
Alexa, play songs from the Mr. Peabody and Sherman Show.
The Mr. Peabody and Sherman Show original soundtrack by various artists on Amazon Music.
Ladies and gentlemen, DreamWorks Animation proudly presents your hosts, Mr. Peabody and his boy, Sherman.
Well, Edison first lit his light bulb in 1879. And when Henry Ford built his first car, it was 1908 at the time. The first day of our independence was in 1776. In 1815 was the first dental floss so that someone could have their first kiss. The first fire hydrant was 1801, and now all of the dogs, they have so much more fun. Last of all, I am the first president with his face on a stamp. So these are all firsts we thought you should know. It's also the first Mr. Peabody and Sherman Show.
Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Alright. There we go. I think that ought to take care of it. That's how you draw Altirhinus, one of my favorite dinos. Alexa, what is the difference between Altirhinus and Ouranosaurus?
From treehugger.com. The most noteworthy difference between the two species is their upper lip.
What? Her upper lip? Come on. Doesn't it remind you of the sail on their back? Alexa, what is Altirhinus?
From studylight.org. Altirhinus, the latter, it was said, came to Orleans as its first bishop.
Alexa, what is Ouranosaurus?
A rhinoceros, commonly abbreviated to rhino, is a member of any of the 5 extant species of odd-toed ungulates in the family Rhinoceratidae. 2 of the extant species are native to Africa, and 3 to South and Southeast Asia. Rhinoceroses are some of the largest remaining megafauna, all weigh at least 1 ton in adulthood.
Alexa, what is Ouranosaurus?
Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun. It is named after Greek sky deity Uranus, who in Greek mythology is the father of Cronus, a grandfather of Zeus and great-grandfather of Ares. Uranus has the 3rd largest planetary radius and 4th largest planetary mass in the solar system.
Alexa, what is Ouranosaurus?
Uranus is the 7th
Alexa,
planet.
stop. Okay, I think we've got it mapped out.